Hazrat of states that Abdul Minal said, while Ibn Ziyad and Marwan were in Syria, Hazrat Ibn Zubair radiyallahu anhu captured Makkah Mukarramah and the Khawarij occupied Basra. So I, accompanied by my father, set off for Hazrat Abu Barza Aslami radiyallahu anhu until we entered his house while he was sitting under a bamboo canopy. So we also sat along with him. My father started discussing with him and got ambitious to listen to his talk. So he submitted, O Abu Barza, don't you see what affairs they have indulged themselves in? The first statement which I heard him making was, undoubtedly, I expect reward from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, for I felt rage at those people from the Quraysh. O the group of the Arabs, you know well that you were suffering from humiliation in a small minority and were the people led astray, so Allah Jalla Jalaluhu rid you of it by Islam and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and bettered your position to such an extent as you are witnessing now. And this world has created mischief amongst you. He who is the ruler of Syria by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is fighting only for the sake of the world, and these people who are fight in front of you are not fighting but for the sake of the world. And he who is reigning over Makkah Mukarramah is not fighting but for the sake of the world. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7112.